I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I make helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio related content, but today I want to introduce you to a new plugin. This plugin is going to help you tame your S sounds. As you know, this one is a de-esser. So what I want to do is just kind of show you the controls of this plugin. It's by iZotope, it's powered by Native Instruments. This one is called Velvet. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Also, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. So if you want to download Velvet, then check the link in the description box below. And today what I want to do is just show you how to use this plugin and a little bit about Velvet. So let's go ahead and dive into it. It's your boy Young Fizz. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let's get into it. All right, so what exactly is Velvet? So Velvet is a powerful audio plugin, and it's designed to intelligently manage your sibilants and tonal balance in your recordings. So when you launch Velvet, you'll notice the interface is divided into primary two sections, right? You have the upper portion, which focuses on sibilance control, while the lower portion addresses tonal shaping. And on the right-hand side, you'll see the declick module. And this basically processes your audio at the end of the signal chain for added clarity. So the next question I want to ask here is, how exactly does Velvet work? And basically what Velvet does, it splits your audio into two streams, right? So one is dedicated to detecting and managing sibilants, and the other one is focused on the remaining tonal content. And one of the standout features is the 6-band hybrid dynamic equalizer, right? So basically what this does, it provides precise control over sibilant frequencies. Complementing this is a suite of adaptive shaping tools tailored for the tonal stream. When you insert Velvet on a track, you can play back your audio and press the learn button. And with this, Velvet will intelligently adjust EQ, gain, thresholds, and it also activates the dynamic mode by providing excellent starting point. Then you can use something like the amount control to make global adjustment across all EQ nodes. Then also you can use the threshold, and that lets you define how much of the sibilance is separated and sent to the dedicated channel. You can use the S button to solo sibilance channels and hone in on problem frequencies. Use the bypass button to make A/B comparisons and evaluate your changes. One of the advanced features is the ability to isolate and target specific sibilant frequencies. Press the S button near the EQ to audition a particular band. Now I want you to get this. Each EQ node is fully customizable with controls for curve shape, Q factor, and dynamic direction. Nodes can operate in either static or dynamic mode, with thresholds clearly indicated numerically. Now for the tonal shaping, Velvet provides adaptive tools like lift and tame. Fixed frequency controls at the bottom allow you to further refine your tonal balance. You can use the delta button that lets you audition only the process signal, helping you hear exactly what changes are being made. A real-time counter at the bottom displays ongoing adjustments, and a broad section of presets offer quick access to common use cases. Finally, the mix slider lets you blend between the wet and dry signal for precise parallel processing. All right, so that is Velvet. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on bell notifications. Also, check the link in the description box below to download Velvet. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status. We will see you on the next one. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.